Hey guys, today we're going to be making a delicious banana pudding. You're going to need wafers, bananas, you're going to need sweet and condensed milk, you're going to need the jello pudding, and you're going to need some water, some heavy cream, but the water has to be cold, ice cold preferably. And let's get into this video. So you want to start off by pouring the whole can of sweet and condensed milk into your bowl. Now you want to pour in 1 cup of ice cold water into your sweet and condensed milk. And then you just want to blend that up. Now you just want to add in your pack of pudding mix into your mixture. Then after you add in your pack of pudding mix, you just want to blend that up into your mixture. After everything is all blended, you want to pour it into a bowl and set it into the refrigerator until everything is all solid. Which for me, it took about 2 hours. Now we're just going to be using our heavy whipping cream. We're going to mix that up until it's all fluffy, and then we're going to add in our mix into our whipped cream after we fluffed out our heavy whipping cream. I'm just showing you how your heavy whipping cream should look when everything is ready. Added 2 big spoonfuls of the sweetened condensed milk and the pudding mix into the heavy cream. And now everything is ready to go, and we should be working on our banana pudding. Here I'm just working on my cookies. I'm going to layer my cookies at the bottom. Then I'm going to layer it with the bananas. And then I'm going to layer it with my mixture. And I'm going to just keep repeating that cycle until the whole entire bowl is filled up. Alright guys, this was the finished results. I just put some cookies on top, and I also crushed some cookies on top of it, and it was so pretty, and this is such a delicious recipe. You gotta try it.